This is part 3 of rebuilding this go-kart we got from a neighbor. We have this new carburetor we just got yesterday. We have this new inner tube for this front tire. Then we could finally get off that jack stand. It's been on that jack stand ever since we got it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
well, ever since we took that tire off, yeah.
We're gonna put new carburetor on there, install this inner tube, and see if it runs. We're gonna take the gas tank off to put this back in there. It goes right under gas tank, right on the governor. I think that's the governor. And it goes to the carburetor, right? Focus. Can't get a camera focus. There you go. Right there on that little black thing. We just got these things, the spring rod combo thing, hooked up to governor. Now we just need to tighten down the gas tank, put carburetor on, and it should be ready to go, right?
Yep. Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. We just finished putting the gas tank back on. Now I'm going to take it off because we decided to replace the gas line that's right there because we can't get on the carburetor.
That's not good.
Yeah, not good.
This.
What?
I was taking this bolt off. Let me get off first.
Oh. Yeah, it's not supposed to be that loose. Guess that's not a good reason why I take the gas tank off, right?
Yep.
Oh, so we're gonna fix that loose bolt and replace the gas line with this new one that came with the carburetor. We got the gas tank off. This bolt that was loose just broke right off. So now we're gonna try to weld that back on there and see if it's straight. Gas, so I'm going to take the gas out of this riding lawnmower that doesn't work. I'm going to put it in go-kart and see if it works. Should be good. Now I can finally see if this thing runs. Put gas in there and hopefully it works. Gas is on.
Yep, double check everything.
Is on. See if it works. What was that, like, third try?
That was like the third try. Start right up.
Yeah, start right up.
That's better than our push lawnmower. Almost.
What?
Our mower.
Oh, yeah.
It's crazy. So, we're gonna take it outside.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wheel it out there real quick and start it up and take it around the yard, see if it runs good.
That's crazy. For like third try.
Okay. Alright. Forgot about the little kill switch thing.
Yeah, get
Gas
everything.
is on, choke's on.
First try.
First try. Okay.
Let's see if this handle works. It doesn't?
It's counting dying.
Yeah, the pedal worked, but the handle just killed it.
Well, the pedal killed it too. Here, get off real quick.
Yeah.
Let's put us on a drag stand. So okay.
Yeah, give it throttle.
Yeah, if I was running out way.
There we go.
There we go. Okay, let's try this again.
Stop. Now if we try this. Dang! Okay, let's get off the jack
Okay, that
stand.
sounds smooth.
Test it out. Dang, that's impressive.
Okay.
You want to test it out and I'll record?
Yeah, and we're gonna swap.
Yep.
Okay.
Choke.
Oh, it's my kill switch.
Come on.
Kill switch.
Kill switch
is on.
off.
We're off. Yeah.
Yep.
It would be off, right?
Yeah. If you put it to on, then the engine's on and yeah. Choke. Use the pedal. Wow, that sounds good. Come on.
It was running smooth till I got down here. I was trying to go up this little hill, and the clutch sounded like it was grinding. It sounded like gears are grinding. So I'm going to start it up so y'all can hear how bad it sounds.
So now we're gonna take it on the asphalt and see if it'll run.
There you go. How's the brake? Now we can see how fast it goes, because I have on the road. I thought you were gonna send it.
This thing rips. You want me to rip it?
Yeah, rip it. Here.
You gotta use the pedals because it gets out of control.
Oh. Here, bring it.
You need an axle.
Yeah, I saw that. You're like drifting.
Yeah, you can feel it. What?
You want to swap?
Sure. Well, not really, but.
Here, you rip it and I will swap. That clutch is slipping. Sounds terrible.
Bro, you can feel the clutch. Go to swap.
Yeah. Dude, hang it. You left a little tire mark. Dude, the clutch sounds so bad.
Yeah.
It's rattling.
Terrible.
Okay, here, take the camera.
Got that.
We need to replace that clutch, put a solid axle in here.
Yeah, with the solid axle through there and the clutch, then it would be good.
He's gonna try and rip it like I did from over there all the way to over there. So let's see how he does. Tires kind of spinning. We're gonna need to put a solid axle in there. Starting to drift to the side a little bit. He's just barely touching the throttle and he's already flying. That is insane. clutch sounds so bad. We need to get a new clutch for it. What did he do? Oh, that tire? This one? This one. Oh, that's why it has so much step wobble. Look how loose that is.
Yeah.
Oh, this side. That is very loose.
Yeah, I'll just pull it up to the shop and then we can fix that.
Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, and this rod will work.
Dude, the WD-40 is smoking.
Yeah, let that cool down first.
Yeah, look how hot that clutch is. It's just smoking right off. We need to let that cool down. Or we just put water on it. Right?
Good. First try.
That's just smoking off. That is insane. We couldn't get the steering spindles loosened up. See how that's still really loose? So that's gonna be the end of today's video. Where's this other guy? Oh. Bro's over here slacking. Bro's eating a peach and slack at the same time.
No, I'm not. What were you saying?
We couldn't get this spindles tightened up. So that's gonna be it for today's video, right? Yeah.
We might come back eventually and get to that. Maybe. See you next time.